Today we're gonna make jalapeno poppers. They're so easy, they're super delicious, and I'm gonna show you a variation for those of you that don't like the spice. This recipe starts with a dozen fresh jalapenos. You're gonna cut each in half and then scrape out the seeds and membranes with a small spoon. The more you scrape out, the less heat they'll have. You're going to want to make sure you're wearing gloves for this task because the oils in the peppers can burn your hands. If you've got friends or family who can't handle the spice, swap the jalapenos out for sweet bell peppers. These work just as well. Prep them the exact same way. Put everything on a baking sheet, and now it's time to make your filling. The filling starts with a base of cream cheese. You can use light cream cheese as well. And I add fresh chives and a little bit of garlic powder for flavor, but you can add green onion and whatever seasonings or spices you like, a handful of bacon bits, basically anything goes. Stir in some sharp cheddar or whatever cheese you have in your fridge, and that's it for the filling. You can use a spoon to fill the peppers, but I find it easiest to transfer to a piping bag or a freezer bag and snip off the end. Squeeze the filling into the peppers and then mix breadcrumbs with butter and sprinkle it over top. Your poppers are now oven ready. Pop these into a 400-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Let them rest a couple of minutes, the filling will be really hot. Serve and enjoy. You can find the full printable recipe at spendwithpennies.com.